Automation lets routine quotes answer themselves safely. Let's build your first rule. It takes about a minute, and nothing goes live until you say so. Open Automation and click New Rule. You can start from a template or build your own. The master switch up top pauses everything at once. Give it a name, like Auto Send Small Orders. Every new rule starts disabled. It won't run until you flip its enabled switch later, so you can build with confidence. A rule is when, if, then. First, the trigger, when a quote is submitted. Quotes you create by hand in admin are never auto-actioned. Then the conditions. Match on quote amount, discount percent, product or customer tags, currency, even company location. Here, quote amount under 500. Now the action. Send the proposal automatically at the buyer's requested price, with catalog as the fallback. 2 guardrails keep you safe. A safety cap holds anything over your limit for a human, and a price floor skips any line priced too far below catalog or counters at your floor instead. Save the rule, then flip its enabled switch on the automation page. That review then enable step is deliberate. Nothing runs before you're ready. From then on, every run is logged with its outcome. Succeeded, skipped, like an underfloor line, or failed. Full transparency, always. That's your first automation rule, routine quotes on autopilot, with the guardrails you set. QuotWay, built for Shopify.